Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Alfia Mujanti and I want to tell you about suggestion and offer. The first one I want to tell is about definition, suggestion and offer. The first one is suggestion. Suggestion is about to say or write out ideas about what people should do. Suggest means to give a suggestion, that is to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for someone's consideration. And definition of offer. Offer is an expression of the desire by people in front of the other people to do something or not to do something. Offers mean to give something physical or abstract to someone which can be taken as a gift or a trade. Offers can be given in terms of food, money, solution, friendship, or a bargain. It can be taken or refused. Jadi, saran adalah tentang mengatakan atau menuliskan gagasan yang kita punya tentang apa yang harus dilakukan orang lain. Menyarankan di sini maksudnya memberikan usul atau memperkenalkan, mengajukan suatu gagasan atau rencana untuk menjadi bahan pertimbangan oleh seseorang. Selanjutnya, offer atau menawarkan. Menawarkan merupakan ungkapan keinginan orang di hadapan orang lain untuk melakukan sesuatu atau tidak melakukan sesuatu. Menawarkan artinya memberikan sesuatu yang bersifat fisik atau abstrak kepada seseorang yang dapat dianggap sebagai hadiah atau imbalan. Menawarkan di sini dapat diberikan dalam bentuk makanan, uang, solusi, persahabatan, atau tawar-menawar. Offer dan suggestion di sini bisa diterima atau bisa juga ditolak. Selanjutnya adalah tujuan dari suggestion and offer. From suggestion is suggest means to present a suggestion, that is to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for consideration. It can be accepted or refused. Suggestions are abstract and can be in form of solution, advice, plan, and idea. And suggestion can be to facilitate interpersonal communication between different people. Jadi, yang pertama adalah saran, artinya menyampaikan suatu usul yang memperkenalkan atau mengusulkan suatu gagasan atau rencana untuk dipertimbangkan. Suggestion di sini dapat diterima dan juga dapat ditolak. Saran bersifat abstrak dan dapat berupa solusi dan sebuah saran, rencana, ataupun ide. Saran di sini juga bisa memfasilitasi komunikasi interpersonal antara orang dan orang lain. Selanjutnya, purpose of offer. To present, introduce, or propose a help or assist for consideration. To propose a help, it can be accepted or refused. And offer can to facilitate interpersonal communication between people. Jadi, menawarkan di sini menyajikan, memperkenalkan atau mengusulkan bantuan, dan bantuan itu dapat dipertimbangkan. Jadi, menawarkan itu untuk mengusulkan bantuan, dan bantuan itu bisa diterima dan juga bisa ditolak oleh orang yang diberi bantuan tersebut. Lalu, untuk menggunakan saran dan tawaran. The first is from suggestion. We can use let's, why don't we could, how about, what about, I suggest that you might want to change, or I think, or I don't think. Itu kita bisa menggunakannya sebagai awalan kalimat. Lalu in offer we can use may I, can I, shall I, would you, or how about you. Itu juga bisa digunakan untuk menawarkan, misalkan menawarkan sebuah bantuan. In example, we can use in a suggestion like let's, we can use let's go to a movie, or we could go on a picnic, or you could talk to your big teacher. Or maybe you can use why don't we go to a movie, or maybe why don't you come around 8. An example of offer from may I, can I, shall I, would you is like we can use may I give you a hand. Saat kita ingin membantu orang lain, kita bisa menggunakan may I give you a hand, or you can use can I help you, like that. Or maybe you can use another a sentence to offer something. Okay, next, you can accept that suggestion and offer that people give to you with this accepting. First one is from suggestion. We can use sure, okay, yes, let's, or maybe you can use why not, and that sound like a good idea. The next is you can accepting the offer from people with this sentence. Yes, please, I really appreciate it. Or maybe you can use oh thanks, that would be very nice. Or maybe you can accept help from the other people with thank you, I appreciate your help, like that. You can use this accepting for accept suggestion and offer that given for you. Next is declining and refusing. Jadi di suggestion and offer kita tidak semuanya bisa diterima, tapi kita juga bisa menolak, tapi dengan cara yang baik. You can use no, let's not in suggestion, or maybe you can use it's okay, I can do it myself. You can use in offer, like that. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and for your time to listen my presentation. I'm sorry if I have a big mistake in this presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.